Hi, as welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. Anyway, um, yeah, so the temperature blanket stuff was completed this morning for yesterday's temperatures. Um, so that's done. I've loaded up my double knit pattern in Affinity Designer, and I will work on that after I get back from grocery shopping because I haven't done that yet. I was going to go about 30 minutes ago, and I'm like, you know what? It's almost noon. I'm going to wait till 12:30 because last week I went after 3, and that was a mistake because the place was crowded. I spent an incredible amount of time in the checkout line. So I'm just like, I'm going to go well before that, before kiddies get out of school and stuff. So, and I didn't want to do it yesterday because I was just like, I just need a day just to relax between work and doing what I need to do here. So today I'm going to be working on the double knit blanket and the garland stuff. I'm going to do a popcorn and 2 cranberries and then 2 rows on that and then back and forth, back and forth. Also, after I get done with the grocery shopping, get all that put away, I'm going to attempt to get the tree and my wrapping paper down from the closet that is the black hole of the spare bedroom. So that'll be fun. Yeah, I also need to spend time to cinch this in a little more. I did manage to get the October strip attached to the knit blanket. I have November over here. It would have been done last night, but that strip for some reason just took forever to whip stitch on. So that I've got to do. But I want to get some of this like further along than what it is. I'm on that block 8. I'm on getting ready to start row 7 out of 30. Ugh. I wish it was done. I want it done and over with. I would work on it, but doing the double knit with the 2 yarns bugs my hands a little bit. So I want to break in between doing that and everything else. So hopefully I can make good progress. I did manage to get a second coaster done for the blue placemat that I made a while back. Woven all the ends. That one's done and completed. I got the ends on the rectangular ones I did woven in. And I just need to make the coasters for that. I think I'm going to use this to do it because it's just hanging out over here doing absolutely nothing but taking up space. I've got so much of this yarn. I want to get rid of most of it. That's why I'm making the rectangular placemats. And I'm making circular coasters for them. And I want at least 12. So I've got 2 fully completed. I've got 2 placemats. I need 2 more coasters. I've got another placemat in the car that I just started, I think, Saturday. Either Friday or Saturday. I can't remember. It might have been Saturday because I had issues Friday. Yeah, I won't go into it, but let's just say I'm a little sore and trying to get up off the floor was not a fun thing to do. Anywho, I'm going to sit, drink some coffee, wait to go grocery shopping, and then come back. And I will see you in a little bit. So I did manage to get my Christmas tree out and the wrapping paper down from the closet in the spare room. I haven't put that tree up in over 4 years. And, well, it's seen better days. It hasn't been completely, like, fixed, fluffed, whatever. But, see if I can get it to, without being all glary. Yeah, it's a sad, sad little tree that, after this Christmas, it's getting pitched because I got it out of the box and the box is basically broken. So I am going to, after Christmas, pitch it and possibly after Christmas buy a new one for next year. That way I get it on sale and I don't have to spend a crap ton of money on it. So yeah, that was absolutely fun trying to get that down and put up. It's so sad. Charlie Brown's Christmas tree looks better than that thing. Anyway, so And I'm pretty sure the garland calculator, I'm not gonna need 30 feet of this garland. I'm just not gonna need that much because it's not an overly skinny tree, but it's not a tree with a lot of volume either. So I'm gonna like make a good length on this first, and then I'm gonna go and like check it against the tree. But that won't be tonight because I'm just like tired. I got like maybe 5 hours of sleep before got up today, and then did grocery shopping and all this fun stuff. Got that out. Made a little progress on the garland. Didn't get to any of the other stuff I wanted to today, but that's fine. I don't care. That can be done tomorrow ish. Something like that. Yeah, not much else today other than getting the tree down. I could clear off my table and like do all the wrapping and stuff that I need to do. That way I don't have to do it. I can get it done and it's over with and I don't have to look at it anymore. So I'll probably do that with the rest of my night. Ugh, I need to blow my nose. Anyway, I was gonna say something. Oh yeah. After I posted about getting these hooks, I did not realize that they are not in the standard steel crochet hook sizes. Because I was looking at one and it was supposed to be like, I'm looking at like a size 8. You know, normal steel crochet hook size 8, and it looked awfully small. So I did some research, looked at the reviews online, and I was just like, oh poo. So if anyone has any suggestions on some ergonomic, regular, standard size steel crochet hooks, please let me know in the comments section below because I'm so irritated. I don't want to go back to the boys because they're not ergonomic. Unless I figure out a way to make my own ergonomic handles for them. Which, I mean, that's a possibility too. I've seen it done, but I don't know. I haven't explored it yet anyway. So, that wraps up Vlogmas Day 11. I think I'm on. Sure. Let's go with that. And I shall see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.